Okay, I'm going to teach you how to solve a Rubik's Cube with your feet. And I can't really teach you while doing it, but I can, I'm just going to show tips and stuff on how to do it. It's pretty simple. All you need to know is how to solve a Rubik's Cube, and you need to have a good cube that can actually churn easily. Because if your cube can't churn easily, I mean, it's going to be extremely hard to turn it with your feet. Okay, how you do it is you, if you're left-footed, you might need to hold it with your right, but I'm right-footed. So what you do is you hold the cube down with your left foot, and then flick it with your right big toe, like this. So then you just flick it, and I'm not 100% at it, so most I can do is basically turning it like this, and maybe I can flick it around like this. And if it gets misaligned like this, you just smack it with both feet like this, and that usually fixes it. Just keep turning it and solve it how you would normally solve it. Sometimes you have to do different algorithms for it, or else, just because if the algorithm that you learn is too complicated, you might need to learn easier algorithms. So it's basically the only thing that I can really do is R inverted in front. Inverted. So, and then you just turn the cube around with your feet and just solve it normally, and you should be able to solve it with your feet. And that's how you solve it with your feet. So it doesn't really matter what method you use. I use what I use with my feet is Frederick, and instead of doing full OL and PLL, sometimes I have to do look OL and PLL. So just because some of the algorithms are too complicated for me to think through with my feet, yeah. So that's how you solve it. Please subscribe, comment, rate.